It's a 2017 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. 100 years in the making, this athletic E-Class is where tradition meets useful innovation. Sharp outside and powerful underneath, it features an engine with Eco Start-Stop system, 9 G-tronic automatic transmission, and dynamic select. It takes care of you in even the most extreme circumstances with pre-safe sound, emitting a pink noise that defends your ears from the loud noises of an accident. And attention assist and active brake assist help prevent accidents in the first place. Travel enhancement begins with command hard drive navigation, a 3-spoke touch control steering wheel, command with touchpad controller, and 12.3-inch high-resolution central display. Hands-free Bluetooth, dual USB ports, and dual-zone climate control make the trip even better. Tradition that evolves is worth keeping. Come in and test drive this E-Class today.
At Mercedes-Benz of Coral Gables, we look forward to your visit and deliver excellence at every mile.